Namaste and welcome back to Challenge 2. Why RPA is so exciting in digital transformation. In Challenge 2, we'll learn what kind of problem or the pain point RPA is solving for the business leaders. In today's environment, every business leader is struggling to find an innovative solution that will do more in less cost, find a faster, better, and cheaper solution. And my dear managers and consultants, RPA is no different than that. So let's get started and understand what kind of pain point RPA is solving that is making so exciting into digital transformation. Let's get started. So let's recall the Telexa. Telexa is going through digital transformation, and in this journey it has been caught up with lot of legacy applications into their entire technical landscape, and those legacy applications are SAP, IBM systems that has been built up on COBOL and Fortran, mainframe applications, custom based solution built up on very old technology, maybe Java, Shell script, etc. Lot of reporting tools into the organization is still that is obsolete but working, and IBM DB2. These are not the only list, there could be many more that is there into the enterprise landscape. But the interesting story starts when it comes to the business owners or the leaders face the problem in terms of integration. Today, integration is very hard because those applications do not expose any API to integrate. Integration is time consuming and it's very expensive. Rare skill sets, those people are not available into the industry. It's very difficult to maintain and hire such kind of people who are into old technology like Fortran, maybe COBOL or etc. And last but not the least, there are many dependency among the teams as well as the vendors. Coordination and communication, it becomes very difficult for the release management and overall maintaining the systems into the production. So let's move forward. What kind of challenge the business face in the entire maintaining these digital legacy applications? Since these systems are not properly integrated, it's not exchanging the data. This creates a gap between the two different systems that leads to a lot of manual intervention. Straight through processing, what happens in any large enterprise, any process that cut across the multiple departments and the multiple systems, and since the systems are not fully automated, that leads to lot of data entry into the organization. Paper-based transaction is one of the pain points because those systems are not targeted and designed in the keeping in mind of the modern environment, the digital environment, and that leads to a lot of manual intervention and lot of delay. Last but not the least, the email has become the main communication channel for communication and collaboration. That creates a lot of delay in completing one transaction. These are the business challenge today the business owner and the business leaders are facing. And what happens? Let's see. The result is when the systems are not integrated, straight through processing, paper-based transaction, email collaboration, communication, manual intervention, that leads to a lot of data entry, validation and verification because people may tend to make mistake, reporting work because systems are not generating the right insight, those are not integrated. Now it's a human work, the human need to generate the reports, the email communication for collaboration, communication, approval, concurrency, etc, and reconciliation because those systems are not integrated, it's not working seamlessly together. It it required the business users and the leaders to reconcile the reports or reconcile the data before presenting to the leadership team. All these results, all these technical business problems, when it comes to digital transformation, when it comes to when the Telexa is going through very tough time, a tough the fierce competition. So entire digital transformation, there are a lot of bottleneck coming, and those bottleneck are these applications exist into this Telexa since last 2 to 3 decades, and it has become the heart and the mind of the entire operation. It's not easy because there are billions of records that is being stored over there. The entire business logic being stored into those legacy applications. Employees are used to, business people are used to those systems. They know the ins and outs of the system. They can solve any business problem just within few minutes. And last but not the least, even though we think about a disruptive solution, the replacement of these systems may take another 5 to 10 years. That is not technically or economically viable for the Telexa organization. Then, now imagine you are the business leader, you are the transformation coach in charge, and given the chance of selecting the choice and the trade-offs between short-term versus long-term solutions, quick ROI versus long-term, and finding the replacement of the entire systems, finding the non-innovative solution versus disruptive system. These are the questions and the choices you have to make. You have to think strategically. You have to decide then what will you do. So that's the reason you take the challenge 2 and figure it out. What will be your innovative solutions? What kind of solution you will bring into your overall technical toolkit that will help you to solve this problem? How will you connect all the legacy as well as modern applications without much of the disruption, and quickly you can avoid the upfront cost, time, resources, and showcase the quick ROI to the business, and achieve the quick win. These are the challenges. You take it up, think about it, and this will give you a lot of value. Now now if you like the challenge, please comment or maybe subscribe to my video. You will get a lot of learning. Challenge number 3, it's coming tomorrow. You will learn how to scale your backend, your contact center, or your back office operation with RPA, and why the need of R to replace the humans with RPA. That is what we are going to learn in challenge number 3. Stay safe. Thank you very much for watching.